Creating a blog on your Jimdo website is a great way to share updates, articles, or stories with your audience. Here's how to set up and manage a blog on Jimdo. Log into Jimdo. Go to jimdo.com and log into your account. Select the website you want to edit. Enable the blog feature. In the website editor, navigate to the Pages tab. Click Add Page and choose Blog from the page options. This will enable the blogging feature and create a blog page on your site. Create a new blog post. Go to the blog page and click Add Blog Post or Create New Post. Add the title for your post and use the editor to write your content. You can include text, images, videos, and links to enhance your post. Customize your post. Format your text, adjust images, and use settings for readability. Add the featured image and preview how your blog will appear. Publish the post. Once satisfied, click Publish Post to make it live. You can also schedule posts for future publication. Organize your blog. Use tags or categories to organize posts, making it easier for readers to navigate your content.